Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on Introduction to Food Science, Functions of Food. I am Assistant Professor Suhel Bhendawade, Bivok Food Processing Technology, Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur, Satara. In this video, we are going to learn about the different functions food plays in our body, including energy yielding, body building, protection and regulation, and maintenance of health. Table of Contents. Here's what we'll be covering in this video. Functions of food. Energy yielding. Body building. Protection and regulation. And finally, maintenance of health. Let's begin by understanding the overall functions of food. Asterisk. Functions of food. Food is the basic source of life and health. It sustains growth, development, and overall well-being. Food provides us with energy, helps build and repair body tissues, and regulates various bodily processes. Broadly, the functions of food are classified into 4 categories: energy yielding, body building, protection and regulation, maintenance of health. Each category plays a unique role in keeping us active, strong, and disease-free. Let's explore each of these one by one. Asterisk. (1) Energy yielding. The first function of food is energy yielding. This group includes foods rich in carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. 1 gram of carbohydrate provides 4 calories. 1 gram of protein provides 4 calories. 1 gram of fat provides 9 calories. These foods are divided into 2 groups: cereals, pulses, nuts, oilseeds, roots and tubers. They provide energy along with proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Pure carbohydrates and fats, such as sugars, oils, and butter. These mainly provide energy, often called empty calories. Cereals and pulses also add proteins and vitamins, while nuts and oilseeds are energy dense, containing good amounts of fats and proteins. Roots and tubers like potatoes provide energy plus some minerals and vitamins. So, energy-yielding foods keep us active and support daily functions of the body. Asterisk. (2) Body building. The second function of food is body building. Foods rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. These are essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. They are classified into 2 groups: animal sources like milk, eggs, meat, and fish. These contain proteins of high biological value, meaning they have all essential amino acids in the correct proportion. Plant sources such as pulses, oilseeds, and nuts. They are rich in proteins but may lack one or more essential amino acids. Thus, combining plant and animal protein sources ensures the body gets complete nutrition for building muscles and repairing tissues. Asterisk. 3. Protection and regulation. The third function is protection and regulation. Foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals help regulate important body processes like maintaining heartbeat, water balance, and body temperature. Protective foods are divided into 2 groups: foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and high-quality proteins such as milk, eggs, fish, and liver. Foods rich mainly in vitamins and minerals, such as green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits. These foods strengthen our immune system, protect us from infections and regulate normal body functions. Asterisk. 4. Maintenance of health. The fourth function is maintenance of health. Food not only gives energy and nutrients, but also contains phytochemicals and antioxidants. These compounds help prevent chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Some examples of such functional foods include whole grains, soybeans, green leafy vegetables, colored fruits, and even spices. These foods play a vital role in improving long-term health and preventing lifestyle-related diseases. Asterisk. That's all for today's session on the functions of food. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the essential roles food plays in our lives. If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. See you in the next video. Asterisk.